This video, I'm going to show you how to install Telegram on your PC. So you go to your browser, just type in Telegram. Then you press enter. And then you go here where it says Telegram Messenger. Just click on it. And then here, if you go down, there are options. So there's Telegram for Android, Telegram for iPhone or iPad. And then if you go down, you see where it says Telegram for PC, that is we are using Windows, and then you also have for Linux and also for Mac OS. So I'm using a Windows phone, so I'll click on this one. So it all depends with what you'll be using, the gadget that you'll be using. You choose according to the gadget that you're using. All right, and then you go down here where it says Get Telegram for Windows. I'm using Windows, so I'll click here on Windows. And then if you go here at the bottom, you see that it's already downloading. So let's wait for it to finish. It should not take a lot of time, about 30 seconds or so, obviously depending on the strength of your network. So now it's done. I'll go and open the folder, my downloads folder. Here is my Telegram setup. So let's run it. So we are done downloading. Now we are on the stage of installing onto our PC. So here you press yes, and then the installation process will begin. You choose your language here. For me, I use English, so I'll just use English. I'll just click on English. Then you press next, and then next, and then next, and then install. Now my Telegram is installing. Okay, and then finish. So there we are. So here you can just click so that you can finish the setup process. So now you've got option to log in using your phone number. So okay, let's use that option. Okay, and then from here you choose your country and then you put your number. So let me put my number. So after entering the number, a code will come to your phone. So I have my phone here. Let me put in the code that I just received. And then from there now you can put in your name and your surname. So let's say ABC for the name, then the last name XYZ. This is just to show you how to do the setup. And then you can also change, you can also put your profile picture here where there's a picture of a camera. So in this video, I won't go that far. Let's just click sign up. So there you are. So if you've got contacts already, you can just import your contacts as well from your mobile phone. So this is how to install Telegram on your PC. You can also come here and then you click on new contact, and then from there you'll be able to add contacts as well, and then you just create a contact, and then that contact will be on your PC under Telegram. So this is it. This is how you can install Telegram on your PC. There's no need for you to get Bluestacks. You can just go straight and install your Telegram. So if you've liked this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if this was the first time coming to this channel, go down there and click on subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of our future videos. If you've got any question, just leave your question down on the comment section and we will definitely come back to that question and answer you. Okay, bye for now and see you next time. Cheers.